There's a lot of miles on that car.
Yeah.
So just loosen this up.
What's that?
Just loosen this up, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
both sides.
And it should pull out.
Be able to wiggle it off.
And then wiggle. Oh, that's loose there. That's...
Coming out.
It'll just take some time.
Like.
Hindi, sige. Tatanggalin mo na rin dahil may one by ka na rin.
Tatanggalin ko pati yung derailleur.
Yung front derailleur lang.
Paano tanggalin tong kadena?
Kadena? You have to...
Kailangan mo i-brake yung cross.
Yeah.
Kasi wala, Shimano yan eh. Kailangan mo i-brake mo isa. Oo, walang lock yan.
Yeah, just the Shimano ones, you just like pick a link, right? To take off.
Chain brake.
You're supposed to put a new pin in, but not a lot of people have them.
Came out a bit.
That's a Shimano one there? Or?
Yes. You have to use the tool I have.
Yes, very nice.
Nakakalaman. Sabi ko sa wife ko, yung pizza kahit mamaya na kasi hindi gagalawin eh. Busy. Sabi ni Royce, talaga.